Hey everybody, how's it going? West Coast Johnny, thanks for stopping by. I'm in Riverside, California this weekend for a 3-day car show. Oh, there's my buddy right here. And we're gonna take it out for a little spin. So check it out. Out of my way, I crush you like little bug. Come on, guy. Go, go, go. Get in gear. Oh, you want to race with pigs, huh? Bouncy trouncy! Get in gear! And there you have it.
Here we have it. Wow.
You owed me one t-shirt a year for life. But it says if you get this tattooed, you get one free t-shirt a year for life.
Oh, you got it. That's great. Oh, that's hilarious. I love it.
Don't challenge me.
1939.
39. Yep, Lincoln, it came out of a Zephyr. They had the V12s in both the Zephyr and the Continental.
Okay. Beautiful.
And the grill's from a Cadillac, 37 Cadillac. It's got 36 wire wheels, about 7 other parts of cars.
Like the Johnny Cash Cadillac, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, thank you, Guido.
The stinking hot rod Lincoln.
Right.